You just found the 2022 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a closer look at this stylish Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, the subcompact luxury SUV with all-weather capability, lively performance, and undeniable high-end panache. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, power passenger seat, fog lamps, heated mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system, Bluetooth connection, dual zone AC, power driver seat, heated front seat, stability control. Rediscover the pleasure of the drive in this beautifully crafted Range Rover Evoque. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.